Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now today's video you are gonna get a brief knowledge on boiler accessories and mountings. So those are the important boiler accessories and mountings we will discuss today. Water level indicator, pressure gauge, safety valve, fusible plug, steam stop valve, blow up valve or blow down valve, feed check valve, economizer, superheater, steam separator, steam trap, feed pump, injector. Let's discuss them one by one. Boiler mounting. What are the boiler mountings? Boiler mountings are those mechanical appliances which are considered central for operating a boiler smoothly and safely, which are usually mounted on the surface of a boiler. The following are the important mountings of a boiler. Water level indicator, pressure gauge, safety valve, fusible plug, steam stop valve, blow up valve or blow down valve, feed check valve. Water level indicator. The water level indicator located in front of the boiler inserts a position that the level of water can easily be seen by the attendant. There are two indicators. A water level indicator consists of a metal and strong glass tube with marking. The upper and lower ends of those tubes are connected to two gunmetal hollow pipe. The upper pipe has a steam valve and the lower pipe has a water valve which is bolted to the boiler plate by two flanges. The upper pipe is open to the steam and the lower pipe is open to the water with the help of steam and water valves respectively. In case of glass break accidentally, the water and steam simultaneously rush out through the gunmetal pipe and they are carried away by water and steam, and pressure is closed. The water and steam valve are then closed and the glass goes in replace. Pressure gauge. A pressure gauge is fitted in front of a boiler inserts a position that the operator can conveniently rate it. It rates the pressure of steam in the boiler and is connected to the steam space by a siphon tube. Safety valve. The safety valve is a relief valve that prevents the boiler pressure from rising over its normal working pressure by automatically opening when the boiler pressure exceeds the normal working pressure, thus allowing excess steam to escape into the atmosphere until the pressure comes down on its normal value. Thus, a safety valve ensures safety to a boiler from being damaged due to excessive steam pressure. It also ensures safety to a pipe or vessel connecting water under high pressure. There are generally four types of safety valve. There are lever type safety valve, deadweight type of safety valve, spring loaded safety valve, high steam and low water safety valve. Fusible plug. The function of a fusible plug is to ensure safety to the boiler from being damaged by overheating due to water level being very low in the boiler. Stop steam valve. The function of a steam stop valve is to control the flow of steam from within the boiler and to stop it completely when required. Blow-up valve or blow-down valve. The function of a blow-up valve is to remove periodically the sediment deposit at the bottom of the boiler while the boiler is in operation and to empty the boiler while it is to be cleaned or inspected. When the blow-up valve is opened, the water, which is under the pressure of steam, rushes out with tremendous velocity, thus carry out of sediment along with it. Feedcheck valve. The function of a feedcheck valve is to control the flow of water from the feed pump to the boiler and to prevent the backflow of water from the boiler to the pump when the pump pressure is less than the boiler pressure or when the feed pump gets to work. Boiler accessories. What are the boiler accessories? Boiler accessories are those appliances and plant which are installed along with a boiler to improve the operating condition and overall efficiency of the boiler plant. There are several boiler accessories and those are economizer, superheater, steam separator, steam trap, feed pump, injector. Economizer. The economizer is a plant in which the feed water is preheated before it enters into a boiler. The heat is taken from the waste flue gas of the boiler. Advantage: saving or fuel. The increase in the evaporative capacity of the boiler. The increase in the evaporative capacity of the boiler. The long of life of the boiler. Superheater. It is a heat exchanger in which product of the heat of combustion is utilized to dry the wet steam and to make superheater by increasing its temperature. During superheating of the steam, pressure remains constant and its volume and temperature increase. A superheater consists of a sheet of a small diameter U-tube in which steam flows and takes up the heat from hot flue gas. Advantage: there is a saving in fuel consumption. There is a saving in fuel consumption. The overall efficiency in increased. Steam separator. Started steam obtained from all type of industrial boiler contain some water particle which decrease the economy and efficiency of steam engine and steam turbine. For this, a steam separator is fitted before the steam engine or steam turbine to separate water particle for steam. Steam trap. The function of a steam trap is automatically to drain away or return to the boiler the water connected in the steam pipe or steam gasket due to partial condensation of steam without allowing steam escape. Steam boiler. The function of a steam trap is automatically to drain away or return to the boiler the water collected in the steam pipe or steam gasket due to partial condensation of steam without allowing steam escape. Feed pump. Feed pump delivers feed water at a pressure higher than that in the boiler. There are two types of feed pumps: a reciprocating feed pump, rotary feed pump. Reciprocating feed pump. Those are positive displacement type pump. The most popular type of reciprocating feed pump used in a boiler is a duplex feed pump. It consists of a steam engine and a water pump side by side. Rotary feed pump. It is a high-speed centrifugal pump and is used to deliver a large quantity of water into the boiler. It consists of impeller and casing. Injector. An injector is a simple device used to supply feed water into the water. It has no moving part and water is supplied into in the boiler by the action of steam following through nozzle. This type of feed pump is used in locomotive.